We're going to begin with America's fast-evolving response to the newest strain of the coronavirus. It's called the Omicron variant. President Biden is urging caution, but he says lockdowns are currently not, we repeat, not on the table. Health officials warn it's likely the strain is already here in this country. Nancy Cordes is at the White House with more on the story. Nancy, good morning to you.
Good morning, Gayle. The president said that this variant is not a cause for panic, but that it is a cause for concern. And while we still don't know exactly how strong Omicron is, the CDC is already adjusting its vaccine guidance, recommending last night that all U.S. adults get a booster.
It is very likely that this virus is already here in the United States and circulating.
The CDC's new guidance says everyone ages 18 and older should get a booster 6 months after their initial Pfizer or Moderna series or 2 months after getting J&J. Dr. Michael Osterholm says the U.S. could be in for a rough winter.
People don't realize we're more susceptible today in this country as a whole because of the number of people who are now 6, 7, or 8 months out who have not gotten their boosters and who are now starting to revert back to a much higher risk.
And new overnight, the CEO of Moderna reportedly said the existing vaccines could be much less effective against Omicron, telling the Financial Times, quote, "All the scientists I've talked to are like, this is not going to be good." State and local officials aren't waiting to find out, pleading with the unvaccinated to get the shot now.
The longer you wait, the more risk you're taking.
New York City issued new advisories recommending a return to masking indoors.
We're telling you, get those masks back on now. It's smart to do.
Dozens of countries, including the U.S., have now imposed travel bans to and from countries in southern Africa, where the variant was first detected. It's left travelers stranded around the world.
There's several thousand Europeans trying to get home via the only routes available, which it's a mess for everyone.
The UN Secretary General argued the people of Africa should not be penalized for identifying and sharing crucial science. President Biden defended the ban.
We needed time to give people an opportunity to say, get that vaccination now before it heads. It's going to move around the world.
The new Omicron variant is also threatening a rebounding economy. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is scheduled to testify today before the Senate Banking Committee. And according to his prepared testimony, he is going to say that the variant poses a risk to employment, uncertainty for inflation, and that it could make the supply chain crisis worse. We know that stocks are already taking a hit. And the concern, Tony, is that some workers who were about to return to the workplace may now be reluctant to do so.
Yeah, wait and see has become wait and worry, Nancy. Thank you very much.